Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can start preparing automatic repair in Windows. So for doing this you just need to go to Windows tab and just choose settings from here. So after settings will open, you just choose here update and security. Here you choose repair. And here you will see restart now. So you just click on restart now and just wait after computer will restart, and you will see your installation repair. So just wait after it will reload. So here you can see updates on Windows. It's usual seems that it can update every hour. So we just need to wait some time after it will reload. So here you can see troubleshoot. We choose troubleshoot. Here you can see advanced, and here you will see repair system, command line, repair, delete updates. So you just choose if you want automatic repair, you choose here repair system, and if you have some errors, you just choose repair this one. So it depends what you need. Also you can go back and just click next. After you click next, you will come back to your Windows and it will open your system and you will work with it without any errors. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.